Are you looking for the best scuba regulator? In this video we will look at some of the best scuba regulators on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, HandPeril Explorer Scuba Diving Regulator. When I initially started scuba diving, I made a couple of judgment errors when purchasing my gear. I tried to look for affordable equipment and didn't pay much attention to its design and build. Well, I learned my lesson the hard way. One of the biggest mistakes I made was to deep water dive with an uncomfortable mouthpiece. Once I came up from my expedition, I felt like I had a lockjaw and was sore for days after. Another issue I faced was with the exhaust system. A design flaw would cause bubbles to be directed upwards, compromising my vision. I learned from my mistake and instantly looked for a replacement. That is when I came across the HandPeril Scuba Diving Regulator. This product comes with a comfortable, snugly fit silicone mouthpiece. The underchin exhaust system ensures that the bubbles I blow out are directed towards the side, rather than upwards. It ensured that my vision was clear at all times. The regulator is mechanically balanced, which provided me with comfortable breathing at all times, even under intense underwater experiences. This is a vital aspect of any regulator, and I am glad that HandPeril took care of this. I especially like the color scheme of this product. The bright yellow and black colors are aesthetic and vivid enough to catch my diver buddy's attention. Further, it's free flow resistant, which is a huge bonus. The 22-inch low-pressure hose was easy to attach and extremely functional. Pros: low-pressure hose, vivid color scheme, easy inhalation and exhalation, comfortable silicone mouthpiece. Cons: slightly flimsy material. Number 2. Scuba Choice Bellantic Second Stage Regulator. To begin with, I have chosen the Palantic AS101 diving regulator as my top pick. As I already mentioned, this device is a preferred choice, not just by me but also by several diving instructors worldwide. This high-quality unit will not overwhelm you with its advanced features. The product comes with a 36-inch yellow hose attached to the Octopus and a black hose on the second stage regulator. The color differentiation is something I liked, and you might find it impressive too. It is protected with environmental sealing that prevents corrosion of the gear and the icing of the first stage. This superior sealing prevents bacteria and other contaminants from getting into the gear and injuring your system. Several scuba divers report using this regulator as their go-to gear for years. Weighing just 537 grams, it did not weigh me down on my underwater journeys. Moving on to the mouthpiece. The silicone design is flexible and fits comfortably into the mouth. The large purge button is another functional yet straightforward feature that I loved. Pros: 150 psi maximum intermediate pressure, 1.2 to 1.4 SI stainless steel springs. Downstream demand valve with external air intake adjustment. Unbalanced flow by piston regulator. Cons: only one hose has high pressure. Number 3. Cressi Intense Use Scuba Diving Regulator. Everyone has the desire to buy products that they can trust. And when it comes to scuba diving regulators, the desire turns into a need. You don't want to go deep-sea diving with a regulator that you can't trust, right? Well, Cressi is an Italian brand that has been developing and designing swimming and snorkeling gear for enthusiasts. The brand is known for its high-quality products and fantastic options. I decided to test this regulator when I went for a diving expedition at Shelly Beach. First and foremost, the heavy-duty piston, first stage, exceeded my expectations. I was worried about diving too deep with this for the first time, but as I spent more time using it, I realized that it was, in fact, designed for intense use. I recommend this scuba diving regulator for beginner scuba divers. It is affordable as well while providing the highest quality. Furthermore, the conical filter has a large filtering capacity. This is especially important during deep water diving, as it prevents the infiltration of contaminants and particles. There are a number of outstanding features in this product that I know any diver will appreciate. From the calibrated inhalation mechanism to the frontal second stage cover drilling, Everything is just the way I need it. Pros: excellent black and silver body, reliable and robust, high performance level, compact size mouthpiece. Cons: the hose could fall a little short for some users. Number 4. Cressi Ideal Scuba Diving Regulator. The Cressi MC9SC is a very versatile, great all-rounder for divers who venture into both warm and cold waters. It is rated to below 50 F/10C thanks to its second stage built from thermal conductive thermoplastic copolymer. What does that mean? It means the MC9 transfers heat like metal, all whilst preserving the properties of its thermoplastic material. Being built from thermoplastic as opposed to metal helps to also reduce the weight of the regulator, helping to reduce jaw fatigue and to also make this a great travel regulator. Pros: rated for cold water use, making it very versatile. Lightweight and compact, great for travel use. 2 HP ports allow for wireless dive computer air integration. Available as denour yoke, adjustable venturi switch to manage free flows. Cons: mouthpiece is a little small. Number 5. Maer's Scuba Regulator Octo Dive Gear. The Maer's Rover 2S is well known among divers and sold, rented out in dive shops worldwide for good reason. It is arguably Maer's best performing entry-level regulator. The Rover 2S uses Maer's unique fluid dynamic deflector system as well as its vortex assist design, VAD. What these fancy systems do is make this unbalanced airflow regulator perform much in the same way as higher-end balanced regulators at deep depths. All of this can be yours at a lower price. Additionally, the Rover 2S is reliable and resilient. It can take a few knocks like a champ and keep trucking along. Yet this regulator manages to remain lightweight. With both the first and second stage installed, it only weighs 2.5 pounds. 1.1 kilograms. For divers looking for a quality regulator at a low price, then the Maer's Rover 2S is a good choice. Pros: this unbalanced regulator breathes like a balanced airflow regulator. Very lightweight, great for travel, durable and affordable. Flow adjustment knob. Cons: sometimes water can trickle if you turn it upside down. Technically unbalanced. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.